The M50322 is our entry-level manual levelling rotating laser from Redback Lasers. It's got a range of over 200 metres outdoors in broad sunlight with the included laser receiver, and also comes with the handy tripod, all in that nice hard case. Certainly represents good value for money. But you might be after a laser with more features or that is auto levelling. If you click on the link below to our budget rotating laser range, you'll see all of our lasers in that range. You'll also see the packages we offer with that M50322, whether you want it with a staff. We also do it with a cross-line laser as a total indoor-outdoor laser package. If you want more information on that laser, there's further videos below and all the specifications and information you need about that. Anyway, remember, Redback Lasers, we are the laser people, so if you've got a question, we're only a phone call away. But click through our ranges, look over the videos and get yourself a Redback laser today.